Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to take your entrepreneurial dreams to the next level. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of startups and learning from the master himself, Peter Thiel. Thiel is the co-founder of PayPal, an early investor in Facebook, and a startup advisor to Airbnb and SpaceX, just to name a few. In his book, 0 to 1, Thiel shares his secret recipe for creating a successful company and going from 0 to 1. So sit back, grab a notebook and a pen, and get ready for a hilarious yet educational journey. Thiel starts off by asking a crucial question: what valuable company is nobody building? He believes that answering this question is the key to creating a successful company. The most successful companies, according to Thiel, are those that create something new and unique, not just improve upon what already exists. Going from 0 to 1 means creating something from scratch rather than copying what's already been done. Thiel debunks the myth that monopolies are always a bad thing and explains that they can actually be good if they create value for society. He takes a playful shot at the dot-com bubble of the late 90s, which led to the belief that competition is always good. Thiel points out that the bubble was caused by too many people chasing the same idea and not actually creating anything new. The next step in Thiel's formula for success is having secret knowledge. He argues that to be successful, you need to have a unique insight into something that nobody else knows. This gives you an edge over your competitors and sets successful companies apart from those that fail. He also stresses the importance of keeping your company culture a secret to make it harder for others to copy your success. Thiel jokes that it's like having a secret club, but instead of a handshake, you have a company culture. Thiel uses a humorous comparison to explain competition. He says that competition is like a wild animal. It's good in moderation, but too much of it can lead to a race to the bottom, where everyone is doing the same thing and nobody is creating anything new. He emphasizes the importance of having a great team and jokes that with a team like the Avengers, you can conquer the world, or at least the business world. Thiel also mentions that it's important to hire the right people and treat your employees well, because let's be real, they're the ones who will help you turn your dreams into reality. When it comes to getting your product in front of people, Thiel has some advice. He jokes that having a great product is like having a beautiful painting, but if nobody knows about it, it's just taking up space in your garage. He stresses the importance of having a good sales and distribution strategy in place from the beginning because, let's face it, if people don't know about your product, they can't buy it. Thiel also talks about the importance of creating something that lasts. He argues that creating something that will stand the test of time is more important than creating something that will be popular for a short time. He uses the example of Disneyland, which has been around for over 60 years and is still as popular today as it was when it first opened. He jokes that if Disneyland was a startup, it would be worth billions of dollars. Another important aspect of going from 0 to 1 is having a clear vision for your company. Thiel argues that having a clear vision for your company is crucial for success because it helps you focus on what's important and avoid wasting time on things that don't matter. He jokes that having a clear vision for your company is like having a GPS for your entrepreneurial journey. It keeps you on track and makes sure you don't get lost along the way. Finally, Thiel stresses the importance of taking calculated risks. He argues that startups are inherently risky and that taking calculated risks is the only way to make a significant impact. He jokes that taking risks is like skydiving. It's scary but exhilarating, and the view from the top is worth it. And there you have it, folks, Peter Thiel's secret recipe for going from 0 to 1. Remember, to create a successful company, you need to create something new and unique, have secret knowledge, have a great team, focus on sales and distribution, create something that lasts, have a clear vision, and take calculated risks. So, what valuable company is nobody building? Only you can answer that question and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Who knows? You could be the next Peter Thiel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational and entertaining content. And until next time, let's turn our entrepreneurial dreams into reality and go from 0 to 1.